Welcome back to the channel, and we're doing what's fast becoming one of my favourite type of videos. I know you know I like the food videos, but we're doing a hotel room tour, another one of my favourite kind of videos. So we are staying in Dubai in the, let me try and get this right, Hilton Dubai Palm Jumeirah. So it's a pretty new hotel. I think it opened up in 2022 and right now it's 2023, so it's been open a little while. We're going to take you around, have a look, show you what you get for your money in a standard room. This is a standard double room, right T? Mm-hmm. Standard double room. So
we'll have it on the screen if not.
We've just come straight in. We're walking through. We're going to start. Oh, I've got so much to start with actually. Let's start with your wardrobe space and then we'll move on to the bathroom. So come straight in. You have nice big wardrobe space. If you've noticed, we're a couple of days into our stay, so everything's out, so you get a real feel, hopefully, of how you can use the space. But one double wardrobe, and you probably noticed that has a lot of high heels, and that's because we have a second double wardrobe. This is for the light packer of the relationship. So you have your safe in here as well, so you still have a little bit of kind of wardrobe space. I was going to say cupboard space, but the cupboards are down here. So you've got some drawers, which I've made good use of. A couple of drawers, hairdryer for those of you that need it, like me, and a safe. So plenty, oh, missed the door, plenty of space to hang clothes, which I think is really good because sometimes you go to hotels and you don't quite get as much space. So that's one key thing out of the way. We'll then sort of stay in this section because actually we do have a minibar. Everything in the minibar is chargeable, and they do politely tell you that on the front, but we have a menu here. So let's open the minibar up for those of you that are interested. A few different alcohols, your spirits, a little bit of wine.
We're going to be very sure not to move any of that.
And no, this isn't done on sensors, this one.
Okay.
This is done purely by, you take it, they recognise it, they charge you. The old fashioned way. So that's that. And we have water here, which is really good actually. They refresh this water daily. So you get 2 bottles a day. I think they've just been polite and left yesterday's bottle. So 2 bottles of water a day. Coffee machine, which we really love. Coffee. Very good coffee. Again, all of this is refilled daily, which is really good. So that's what we see here. Now we're going to the exciting bit. The bit that everyone's looking forward to, I'm sure. And here we are with the bathroom. Again, we've been staying here a few days, so it is lived in. Hopefully we've done a pretty good job of tidying the sides up and getting a good view of everything you see. But nice modern bathroom as you'd expect from a new hotel. Bath's very nice. Very nice. Very hot water, which is important because yes, I have tested the bath out. I can't go on holiday without testing a bath out at some point. If you're like me and you like a bath on a holiday, then this is very nice, really hot, stays hot all the way through. So that's perfect. What do we need to say? Well, you do your business. No more needs to be said on that. So yeah, it's light, it's nice, modern. To be honest, when I looked at the pictures online, I wasn't sure I really liked the black, sort of like this black here and here. I didn't really think it came across well in the pictures. Hopefully it's coming across well now. I actually think it looks nice, it looks modern. How do you feel about it, T?
I think it's really nice.
It is really nice. I mean, I don't know if I'd say it's small, but it feels a little bit like there's a lot in here, so I guess it closes the space off. That's probably the one thing I'd say about it. Apart from that, it's very nice. And before we leave, I haven't shown you the shower, obviously. And in a true All Things T&C style, I cannot leave this room without turning the shower on for you so you can see what the water pressure is like. I don't know when this happened, but it's now a thing, so I'm going to do it. I'm going to have to be quick here because I'm trying to remember how this works, which way round it goes. So right, ready? There we go. Again, very warm. If you get this shower very hot, the water gets very hot. Try not to get myself wet, so I'm going to jump out and move on. So there we go, that's the bathroom. The only 2 things I've just realised is there's big loud vents that might be making a lot of noise through the video, so apologise for that if it's happening, but there's not much I can do about that, I'm afraid. And also, you'll notice a little switch here. When you have the TV on, you can actually play the TV and it comes out automatically through here. It comes out automatically in the bathroom, so that's quite cool. You can turn the volume up and down. You know, don't know what you need that for, but someone can tell me what you might need that for. So that's the bathroom. I think we've shown you everything. If you feel like we've missed something with the bathroom, let us know in the comments and I'll show you in the next room review for sure. Or we will show you, it might be me, it might be T, we take this in turns. So, let's move on. So, the main room, here we go. I don't really know what to say. I've been in it a few days. It's pretty standard if I'm being honest. I don't feel like it's got much of a theme or a style. But I guess that's probably what Hilton's about. It's more just like certain standards, certain quality. So, pretty spacious room. I don't know, would you say it's big? I'm not too sure. I guess it's probably
Comfy.
like mid-sized room. It's a pretty standard sized room. It's pretty generic if I'm being completely honest, but not necessarily in a bad way. I wouldn't say that's bad. I don't think you'd walk in straight away and say that, yeah, there you go, this is the Hilton Dubai Palm Jumeirah. And I got it right. So, airy. I like all the lights, and I tell you what is very good actually. They have all sort of like the mood lighting and the changing from the system here. So you can press all the different scenes. Your day scene, which I think we have it on right now. You can turn it to night mode, relax, which will kind of dim some of the lights, obviously, as you'd expect. But we're not going to show you because it's a little too light. You won't really get a feel of what's going on there. But all controlled. Aircon, of course. Lovely big bed, which I'm fighting the urge to jump on right now, but I might do in a minute. One thing to note, we're recording this on T's birthday. Happy birthday, T. Happy birthday in the comments if you like, I'm sure she'll love that. That's why we have this nice happy birthday, we have the balloons. That's not obviously standard, but if you are having a birthday whilst here, let them know and they'll do this for you, which I think is quite nice. Not only that, you get cake. Nice happy birthday. And those letters are chocolate, you can eat them. And I know that because we had one a few days ago for my birthday. So we're going to enjoy that in a minute, which is great. So yes, if you're having a birthday, they do make you feel special. I'd say that's one thing to note about Dubai in general actually. If you're having a birthday and you let the restaurant know, the venue know, wherever you are, they do make an effort, they make you feel special. So that's something very good about Dubai and about this hotel. Balcony outside, which you can see behind me, which I've just kind of been waiting to tell you till the end. So we don't have much of a view, I'm afraid, because we didn't pay for a view. This is just a standard room, but the hotel is on the Palm and it's facing the beach. So if you wanted a view, I believe some of the hotel rooms will have really nice views. Really nice views looking over the beach, but then also looking over the marina, I believe it is, over the far side, which looks really nicely up at night. So if you do want a view and you want to pay for it, you'll get a very good view, I'm sure. So, should we be outside? Should we feel the heat? As I open this door, the heat's just going to hit me. So,
Hopefully the camera doesn't steam up.
what did I say?
I think you're just supposed to pull the bottom on.
That's not meant to happen. So, as I open this, I'm sure the heat is going to hit us. So let's see. The camera might even steam up. So you're going to struggle to hear me out here, so I'm not going to talk too much, but what we'll do is we'll just give you a quick glance of what we can see. This here is 5 Palm Jumeirah. So if you're looking at 5 Palm and you're looking at this hotel, then they're literally next door to each other. 5 Palm, Hilton Dubai Palm Jumeirah, right next door to each other. So we don't have much of a view. If T spans the camera though from here, we get to see what I'm talking about in terms of Dubai Marina. So if you come across, you can just about, it looks a lot closer in real life, but you can just about make out Dubai Marina. I'm really going back in because you can probably see this straight away. So that's our balcony. You probably would have heard, it's very loud. So it's not really a relaxing kind of balcony from our side. Beach side may be slightly different. What I was saying out there, not sure if you will have heard or not, but right next door, that's 5 Palm. So for those of you that are looking at 5 Palm, maybe looking at this hotel and wanting to work out where they are, they're literally next door to each other. We have the Marriott next door as well. So 3 very big, very popular hotels next to each other. And I've stayed at 5 Palm. Very nice. So I'll just add that in there, a little bit of gem for those of you that want to know. I think we're done. I think we're done. I think there's only one thing left to do if T's, I'm looking at T if she's going to let me do it. I'm gonna have to jump on the bed. We've been here a few days, so I'm gonna get no surprises this time. I know this bed is very comfortable. If you watch the Vegas Planet Hollywood hotel review, you will know that I jumped on the bed naively without knowing whether it was comfy or not, and it was a very hard bed, so it did hurt a little bit. But I'm safe this time, so where am I gonna jump on it? Very comfortable bed. You needed to see that, and you could just sense how comfortable it was. But that's everything. As always, if there's anything else you want to see on room tours, let us know, because we are still pretty new to them and we plan to do a few more. As you know, every time we travel, we like to travel. So let us know in the comments if there's anything you'd like us to show you in future on our room tours. If we're missing anything, be good to know. Other than that, don't forget to check out our full Dubai vlogs if you want to see what else we've got up to on our trip. And if not, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And we will see you very soon in the next one.